Hey, what's up? This is Reed, otherwise known as Squatch, and welcome to How to Do Things with Squatch. And today I'll be showing you how to take advantage of promotions when booking lodging through BigBear.com. Alright, so what you guys are going to want to do is go to any sort of web browser. You're going to want to head to BigBear.com, like so. And it'll open up this guy here. And you want to head to the book button right here at the top of the page next to the little magnifying glass. Click on that and it'll pull up a map, as you can see, that'll show all of the rental cabins, hotels, all sorts of places that you can stay, and it'll even show the pricing per night. Alright, so you guys are going to want to head to the dates section over in the top left here. Be sure to select the required minimum of nights, as well as one of the dates that has the promotion going on. Once you select your dates, you should get this little pop-up here. Get free gift when booking 2 or more nights. So once you guys get all your stuff squared away with your booking, you guys will get instructions with the confirmation email that you guys get on how to redeem your promotion, or in the My Trip section of your booking as well. And if you guys are on a phone, you'll want to head to the 3 lines up in the top left-hand corner here, and booking is going to be down at the bottom there. Same thing as on the desktop. You'll be able to go through everything there, and then you can select your dates at the top left. So once you guys have selected the correct dates and all of that, the promotion details will be at the bottom of the phone there. Bada bing, bada boom.